Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. This is Hayo Academy. You are welcome to my channel. Today we want to solve two questions under engineering mathematics. And in this question, as we have in it here, we have for the first one, 2x plus 3y plus 2 is equals to 0, 3x plus 4y plus 6 is equals to 0. The second one says 8x plus 12y plus 8 is equal to 0. And we have the other one, 9x plus 12y plus 18 is equal to 0. So we are going to deal with these first ones. Solution. Solution. So we have 2x plus 3y plus 2 and 3x plus 4y plus 6 is equals to 0, and this one is equal to 0. So what can we do now? The next thing to do is to go into the real work. And what is the real work here? We are going to find the determinant of delta 0. Delta 0 is just that is dealing with 2 and 6. That is for the constant term. So we are not going to involve these 2 and 6 for theta 0. So for that, so we are only going to involve 2, 3, 3, 4, like this coefficient of x here and coefficient of y here. How do we have coefficient? Coefficient is a number different sort of variable. So what's a variable? Like this x and this y, they are variable. So I'm going to say 2, 3, and 3, 4. So I multiply them together. So I will use this one to multiply this one first. So mathematically, 4 times 2 or 2 times 4 is 8. So minus. So this one time this one gives me 9. So 8 minus 9, that gives me minus 1. Is that taken? So the next one is delta 1. So delta 1, let me put a line here. So delta 1, what was delta 1? Say delta 1 is that the first one, which is x here, when you are reading A, B, C, D, you may mention of x before you mention y. So delta 1 is x. So anything that is pertaining to x here, we are not going to involve it. So we are going to involve only this side and this side. So we have 3 and 4. We have 2 and 6. So we are going to multiply this and this minus this and this. So mathematically, 6 times 3 is 18, and this one times this one gives me 8. So if you minus it gives you 10. And the next one we are having is delta 2. So after x is y, is that clear? So we are going to involve y. So we are going to use the coefficient of this one and this one. So we have 2 and 3 here. And we have 2 and 6 here. So this is multiplying this one and this one. So this time this give me 12. 6 times 2, 12. This time this is 6. So when you do that, subtract them, give you 6. So our formula is x over delta 1 and y over delta 2. So but y we have negative, don't forget, there will be negative at the front of it. So it's equals to 1 over delta 0. So we're going to put them inside. So here we have x over delta 1, which is 10, is equals to minus y over delta 2 is 6. So delta 0, is minus 1. So for me to get this x, what will I do? For me to get this y, what will I do? So let's make it easy. So I will say, this minus y is still the same. Like I can bring it to this place. It's still the same thing as minus 6. Okay, let me just do like this. Let me make this place equals to this side and make this one equals to this side. So I will have x equal over 10 is equals to 1 over minus 1. Maybe if you put it here or you put it down, it's the same to cross multiplying. So this and this, that's minus x, some this is equals to 10. So it will transfer like this time this minus x, this time this is just 10. So you transfer this one to the other side. It will give you x is equals to minus 10. So we are writing x. So I've used this one to make it equals to the other side, and I also use this one to multiply this one. So minus y over 6 is equals to minus, or if I put it at the base, you see the same thing. Maybe I would put it there. You see the same thing. So just cross the multiply. This one time this one, that is minus y. This one time this one is minus 6. 6 one cancel this one. So y is equals to 6. So therefore x is equals to minus 10, and then y is equals to 6. That is that. It's not hard. Simple. So the next question is 8x plus 12y plus 8 is equals to 0. 9x plus 12y plus 18 is equals to 0. So this is plus, not minus. So delta 0, the way I've done in this side. So I'm not going to involve the constant. So I say 8 over 9. I have 8 here, 9, 12, 12. So what will I do? I will say it's 12 times 8. Let me use calculator. Let me use my calculator. So we have 8 times 12. That gives me 96 minus. So if I have 9 times 12, give me minus. I have minus 108. That's 108. So 96 minus 108 gives you minus 12. Wow. Delta 1 is just x, so I'm not going to involve this x. I'm going to just do the coefficient of this one at 8 and 16 and 18. So where we have 12, 12, 8, 18. So therefore we have 12 times 18. So we have 216 minus, wow, 12 times 8 give you 96. Let's do it. So where we are, there we go, there we go, 96. So it's give me 120. Delta 2, sorry. Delta 2, I'm not going to involve y. So it's just this and this. So x, and it's x have 8 here coefficient and 9 here. So I will have 8 and 9, 8, 9. Here we have 8 and 18, 8 and 18. So what will I do? I use this one to multiply this. I use this one to multiply this. So this one times this one, that is 8 times 18. So give me 144. So 9 times 8 gives me 72. And now 144 minus 72. That is 72, my brother. Now we are going to just go into what we use here. Is the x over delta y is minus y. Don't forget to put this minus, my brother, my sister. So this is 1 over delta 0. X over delta 1 is 120 minus delta 2 is 72. 1 over delta 0 is minus 12. So what will I do? I can make this one and this one to equal to each other. X over, and this one is equal to 1 over minus 2. So I cross multiply. This time this is equals to minus 12. X is equals to 120. Is that taken? Is that taken? So we have minus 12. So we divide both sides by this because it's disturbing x. Is that taken? So x is equals to 120 divided by 1 minus. So it will give you minus 10. Is that taken? So the next one is minus y 72 is equals to make it equals to this one. So the way you make that one. So if I cross multiply, so this negative multiply by each other, we have positive 12y is equals to 72. So we use this one to divide this one because 12 is disturbing y here, so we need to take it from that place. So we have it as y is equals to 72 over 12. And what do we have there? I think here we have 6. Let me just check. Let me check. I don't know. Maybe it's correct or not correct. So 6. Yes, correct. 6, correct. AF for x, as we have in it here, is minus 10. And y is equals to 6. Thank you very much for staying tuned to the end of the tutorial using matrices. I still remain Hariyo Josiah Yomide, Ayo Academy. So please do share my video, share, follow me, subscribe, like, comment. You can also contact me with my number 07063118290. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Love you all.